Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Sa panahon ngayon mga boss, ang dami ho mga fake na mga journalists kung sa social media. I'm sorry, but I'm not trying to bash them. I'm only trying to state the fact. Ako ho kasi, I'm a practicing journalist and with me sa amin ho sa Bitag Media Unlimited Incorporated, I have the responsibility and accountability to teach the younger generation about journalism. Wag ho tayo malilito kasi meron ho mga journalism, yellow journalism. Ano ho yellow journalism? They stand on the basis of saying fearless views and balance, blah, blah, blah. Naintindihan nyo? Naniniwala ho ko roon sa sinasabing the truth shall prevail. Siguro naman naintindihan nyo ang ibig sabihin. Doon sa malalaking dyaryo, hindi ba? I'm sorry, hindi ako nagbumibira dito. I'm just trying to be truthful what I say. Factual ho ako sa aking mga sinasabi, mga boss. I'm sorry, if I have to be brutally frank sa ginagawa ko, this is 2017, unfiltered yung aking mga sinasabi. No holds barred. I'm not here to insult or to take a cheap shot on anyone, especially sa kabaro ko, but I'm only trying to take a stand. Taking a stand and taking side are two different things. I don't take sides. Although I may belong to that broadsheet that calls the truth should prevail, kaysa doon sa sinasabing fearless news and balance, blah, 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 who cares? Tabloid naman kayo eh. Talking about journalism, sige, kasi ako mga boss, kuminsan baka hindi nyo maintindihan yung style. Sometimes you seem to look at the style of a particular individual dun sa kanyang pamamahayag ng kanyang pagiging journalist style makes a difference. As a style makes you a journalist? No! Your factuality and truthfulness, yung iyong pagiging totoo, tumpak sa mga impormasyon, katotohanan, ang pagiging totoo, na hindi mo tinitwist yung katotohanan, number one sa lahat ho, kaysa doon sa sinasabing pagbabalanse. Ano ngayon, pagiging fearless mo kung sinungaling ka naman, ngayon, tapos nanlilin lang ka naman, tapos pumapanig ka naman, tapos meron ka ng pinangangalagaan, meron ka naman pinagsisilbihan. Hindi ba? Ang pinagsisilbihan mo over and above yung taong bayan, na higit sa lahat yung Diyos at ang katotohanan. Pero kung ang sinasabi mong amo mo kahit na anong malaking network ka, ako kasi mga boss, I am one of those men and women representing a particular network, but doesn't necessarily mean I'm embracing yung kanilang doctrines, yung doktrina ng kanilang pagiging sabihin na ho natin is journalism. Because we have our own different school of journalism, my thought, because sa akin ho kasi mga boss, pinapractice ko lang ho eh. Because nobody's talking about this in any radio stations or any, not because I want to be different, not because I'm trying to make it pronounced different, not because I'm trying to impress you, but I'm trying to impress upon you because let's be clear on this. Marami ho ngayon pretend to be in social journalism. Is there such thing as social journalism? Mm-hmm. You can experiment if you want. Pag sinabi mo kasing journalist, well, there are canons of journalism and ethics and law of journalism. Let's be clear about that. Not because dahil nagsulat ka na, journalist ka na. Not because nakapagsalita ka na sa likod ng mikropono, ganun ka na. Not because graduate ka na ng masscom or kahit na-graduate ka ng journalism, kung yung fundamentals naman ang iyong pinag-aralan ay mali-mali. So, let's be clear about that. Ang dami ho kasi ngayon sa social media, mga bloggers dyan, they don't really know what they're saying. They just want to accept. Alam niyo ho kasi pagdating sa social media, all you wanted is just make approval. Approval and likes and click and likes and views, and that's what you want. Hindi ho ba ang social media is a product of what? Acceptance, approval, likes. Anytime, pag hindi ka na sinama, kung hindi ka na sinama, kung kumbaga, nobody wants to be rejected and nobody wants to be bashed. I wish, ako ho sa akin, mahaba ho yung ating, bakit ako nagsasalita ng ito? This is the advent of social media, and let's not be confused about social media and new media and traditional media. Ako ho magsasalita dyan.